So, welcome to my this video presentation. My name is Sanket Nawale, and I'm presenting you the Travel AI. So, as you know, the AI travel market is going to be hitting around 13 billion by 2030. But there is one thing, if you have used any travel app for getting your itinerary, there is something wrong in it. So the thing is that if we are planning something on going to any city, so suppose if you're coming to Rome from Paris, and you want to plan something very concrete, like you're coming in the morning at 7 today, and you're going tomorrow, like in the 10 o'clock in the night, returning back to your country. So you need some strong itinerary. And you search on internet, you ask this bot, and there are some websites, you try to ask them, but there are also some websites which are very separate. For you give them budget, and then they do your itinerary, but there is nothing very strong, like you give them budget, but also you give them time, that I'm coming at this time and I want to go at that time. So it's around, the buffer is around, to take your flight is 3 hours. So if you are having a flight at 10 o'clock, you just have this clock ticking, tick tock in your mind, that oh, at 10 o'clock, so before 3 o'clock I have to, before 3 hours I have to be at the airport. So you usually I travel very early. So I have this thing in my mind. But suppose if there is a planner where you put everything and it's just planned for you within a deadline. So I have this I have made with Airia AI this travel AI bot. Let's see how it is. So let me show you. Let me show you where it is. It's my repo, and my bot is somewhere here. Let me see. Where is my bot? Where is my bot? Telegram bot. Okay. So here is my Telegram bot. If you can see it. Okay. Yeah. So I ask my bot that okay, I'm I'm coming, I'm going to Rome tomorrow. You, sorry for my bad spelling. Rome tomorrow. I will be at airport CEO at 7 in morning, and I plan to stay for 2 days, and next day I will be going back to Paris at 10 in night, and my BU budget is around 200 euros. Plan me complete 2 days, which and last day I will take a bus to go back to airport. So now I give him the text, and the thing is that what it does, if you see my first screen, it's here. Okay, this is the input, and we have three different models. If you can see, ChatGPT 4.0 mini, 4.0, and Claude Hikaku 4.5. So what does our ChatGPT 4.0 mini profile like? It take the trip and detect the language automatically. So even if I give my whole like I give my plan to our AI bot in Marathi or in Hindi or in Italian or in any language in the world, it will gonna detect the language. Like I have set this mini profiles for the trip, and then 4.4 or 4.0 ChatGPT model, it builds the complete itinerary with smart buffer logic. We need that buffer logic as a human thing. I will show you now as it gives the output that how it plans the itinerary of the whole days. And Cloud A 4. Cloud A Cargo 4.5, it validates our budget because I have also given him budget. Okay, so it will validate the budget and format everything perfectly for the Telegram. And this whole thing, so I have the webhook I've created with the in the area interfaces. So we can have different interfaces, but I prefer Telegram webhook. Okay, and I've used it to for the bot, and yeah, I have used a VP, a small server in Hesna Cloud, which continuously runs and sends the Telegram request to the Airia API. So let's see uh, what we have got. Okay, look. So we got this. So okay, yeah. So we got this. Okay, day 1, March 16. Like it takes it. So we are out at FCO. We get the accurate revision as the cheapest. It gives everything. So one day it gives you the whole total around of 77. It's just go around, you know. Okay, travel 0 fee gross road. Okay, perfect. It gives you second day the budget summary. It gives you everything. Okay, accommodation also it gives you. And yes, trips booking.com Vatican, perfect. It gives you everything. Okay, now it also gives you something, like this hotel around 45. So it gives you everything. Second thing, what it gives you is the locations, how to go, where to go, from where to where go, every this thing it gives. But the crazy part is that it gives you complete traveler itinerary in the calendar format. So I just tap it here. Okay, it's downloaded. I say him open the file. Let's open it. Okay, and I open it. Maybe here, account manager, my calendar. Okay, upload the file. Let me upload the file. It's calendar, import traveler, browse. Okay, all right, just give it here. Okay, just give it here, and I say import. Okay, so look, it's importing, and let's go to the calendar. Yeah, look, so if you can see, it is everything is in my calendar. Magic. Okay, also the departure from Termini. So if you are new, the main thing is that if we are new and where we are departing from, you know so it also gives you everything where you are departing on the next day, every single thing. So where you are arriving, what's your budget, it gives you everything sleek in the sleek format, and it's super easy to use. So it works in any language. You can add it into your groups. If you have seen, I have added it in my group. So if you have friends, you can just make a group of your friends and add this bot, and it will gonna work seamlessly. And yeah, so your whole groups get all the information. So but the main predictive financial thing that I would like to point out, 13 billion market, again 28.7% growth. And with the Telegram we have billions of billions of users. So our bot will do everything. So next time, if you're planning to go anywhere around the world, just use this bot, name the city, tell your budget, and it gives you complete itinerary for the whole days. Thank you for listening and cheers. Have a good day. Great night.